Is this Spigen Ultra Hybrid case going to be worth it for the 17 Pro in 2026? Let's find out. Starting off on the back, at the top you do have lens protection. There's a piece that pops out over that whole lens area, so if you drop your phone camera lens side down, it'll actually protect the whole area and hit that popped out piece right here first. The case itself does have a nice hard back, and then the actual outer is going to be a little bit more flexible, so going to be great for shock absorption. And on each corner of the case you do have these bumpers or airbags, so if you drop your phone on the sides or the ends, it'll also absorb that shock even better. It is also a MagFit case, so you can see it has the MagSafe ring on the back, so going to be compatible with any MagSafe accessories. When it comes to the screen side, you do have a little bit of an overhang, so going to protect your screen a little bit, but if you want maximum protection, you can just pair a screen protector with this case. And last but not least, on the side, you do have a cutout for the new camera action button that all the 17 models have. Overall, if you are just looking for a simple, clear case for the 17 Pro, would definitely recommend this one from Spigen. Has a great design for the new 17 Pro model, and it also does allow your phone to show its color a lot more since it is clear.